Hey everybody, this is Ripley,
And James.
and we're going to throw together a little tutorial real quick in terms of how to use SkyDrive with your students, how to add them, how to upload documents, things of that nature. So a quick little Google of SkyDrive will get you here, and then all I'm going to do is click on it. I have to create an account, so I'm going to throw my account in here. Sorry, you guys. I guess I could have done this in advance, but there's Academy. Did I write? Edu, Ripey. Done it a little too many times today. All right. Okay, so this is basically my home interface. This is what I'm going to see when I log on, and this is what you will see. What I've chosen to do is I've created groups. I've created a Calculus 1 group, and if you'll notice, I already have some documents loaded up to it. I've got a Calculus 1-2 group, a pre-calculus group. They've all got the same thing to it, but I want to show you guys how to go ahead and create your own group. So I click on group. You won't have any of these clearly, but you're going to create your own group. Okay, and my group name is Davidson Go. Okay, and then this email address right here, so that you can email everybody in the group at the same time, and they'll get a message from their SkyDrive account. Okay, and I'm going to create, and then I'm going to show you guys how to upload a document real quickly, because then that's how your students will know that they're in the right group, because they'll be able to see that document. So just bear with me for just a second. It takes a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead, and I want to set my group options right now so that I can have kids add. Now this is a really important step, because if you don't do this, kids won't be able to see your group. They won't be able to find your group. So I'm going to click on Davidson Agogo. I'm already here. That was silly. And I'm going to go to group options. And I'm not doing anything crazy here, but I need to go to membership, and anyone can ask to join. I click that, toggle that button right there. But owner approves membership requests. And then I also put files and photos. All members can add folders and albums. You may want that, or you may not. So I'm saying only the owners and co-owners can add folders and files. Okay, then you check your time zone, and we're off to the races. All right. And there we go. So the group is ready to go. Let's go ahead really quickly and upload a file. I'll just throw an old syllabus in from one of my old classes. So let's see, are we waiting? I'm going to upload, perfect, my syllabus here. I'm going to open it up, and over here on the right, it shows you what's opening up, and there it is. There it sits. Nothing to it. Now that's a really good point of reference for your students as they add into the group, because they need to be able to see that as well. Okay? Without further ado, I think I'll let James add me.
I need to get the group address first.
Oh, that's correct. Sorry about that. So what we want to do on this, I want to make two other quick points. There's a button that hides a bunch of information that's going to be useful to us down the road. I'll show it to you real quick, and then we'll use it again a little bit later in the tutorial. This button right here tells me all of the information about the group. It's really useful. I also need to be able to give James a piece of information. Now, hopefully you saw where I got that from. Let me show you where that is one more time. It's that important, because without this, the group stalls. I go to group options, and sitting right here, this web address is crazy. I don't know why Microsoft chose to do this. It's not a live link. It's also not copyable. So with my students, I had to actually have them write it up or type it up in class so that they could add it. I have no idea why that is. You might want to throw it on your whiteboard and have them get to it. So have you got it?
Davidson Agogo.
Davidson Agogo. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log off. Take two.
I'm going to pretend to be a student. All right. So I am going to go to SkyDrive on Google, or you can go to that web address, whatever you want. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to sign in with my email address here and the correct password. And after I'm in, here's my home page. I don't have anything up here yet. Students, when they don't have any groups, won't see anything there. So now that I'm logged in, this makes it easier. I'm going to go to groups.live.com/davidson-go, and that's the link that we had to write down.
And if they're not logged in, they won't be able to sign into this.
Yeah, so log in and then go, and then it says let the owner know why you want to join, because I am lonely. It doesn't really matter what they write, they just have to write something. So very good. So now I sent an invitation, or my request to join that group. And now it's all up to the instructor. So I'm going to log out, and then we're going to pretend to be the teacher for a second.
Absolutely. Okay. So now I'm back. Sorry, you guys get to watch us. It's like a bad circus act. Let's see if you're there. There you go. All right. All right. Now here's where it gets fun. I'm going to look for James. Now it's really counterintuitive the way that this is set up. Hopefully they'll work out the bugs down the road. I'm going to go to my group, which in this case happens to be Davidson A Go-Go, and I'm going to click on it. And remember, I've got that one file sitting there, but that really doesn't matter for what we're about to do. I have to click on this crazy little button over here that's sort of hidden and there's nothing underneath it that tells you. And then I'm going to go to View Membership. Okay, so right now I'm the only member and I am the owner. So what I'm going to do is look at Requests, and James Marshall is requesting. I click on the box, I accept or I decline. He's pretty shisty. And then what you want to do to make sure, you want your kids to be able to make sure that they can see it. However, for me it's easy to be able to tell because I can go over here, I can go to Davidson A Go-Go, and I can look at my members by checking it out here. Notice right down here, James Marshall's sitting there. So I know that he's a member. Okay?
Okay.
Now, James, that's about it, isn't it?
Yes, because once the student logs in, they will see the groups,
Yep.
and they should be able to see the documents. So they just click on the same groups tab, click on the group, and it's all good.
Absolutely, yeah. They're going to see exactly the same thing that you see. They just can't modify things as much. Just if the only thing you take away from this is that all the good stuff that happens in group options and in this little tab that's hidden and tells you nothing about what it is, which makes it kind of a pain in the butt. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.